Wow, I should do this trend. So cool. I must practice it tonight. Maybe Holly would join me. That looks easy. Yeah. Good. What is happening? What are these? Something is happening. Nails! I'm a cat?
Beauty contest.
You're never gonna win. I have to win. Ew. Gotta clean this mess. Weirdo.
Okay, let's start the class.
Boring. Oh no! How could this happen?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Detention! Principal's office.
Huh? Wow! Here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
See you later. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye. Talk to you later. Oh, here you are. Ah, that's my mug. How did you get here? Back to your tank. All right, young lady. I'm really disappointed in you. Not this one. Nope. Ah, beauty contest. -5 points.
So, it's the final test today. Good luck with the test.
First step.
Time is up.
I'm not done yet, miss.
As I said, time is up. Your test.
An F? I hate these nails.
Hey.
Ew.
Wow. Excuse me, let me borrow these.
What are you doing? Ew, my precious.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey.
Such a tasty banana. Wow. Always on the bus. Hi. Hi. Lunchtime.
Oh, broken nail disqualified.
My pretty nail. Oh, let's get some help. Again?
Let's see how you can solve this.
Okay, miss. This will work. What? Help me. Okay. Easy.
Oh. A plus for Judy.
I'm done.
Huh? Judy?
Wow, time to prepare. Wow, it looks great. A little bit more. These nails. I will do it my own. It's gonna work. Scissors, come on. Oh yeah, I'm genius. Done. Yes. That's unreal. Tomorrow is my day. Be quiet. Ow! Morning. Today is the big day. I should prepare. Oh no! Yes. One part is done. Don't even try. You're not gonna win. Hi guys, my name is Lexi,
Look.
and this is my show for you.
Wow.
Nice.
What are you doing?
Very good. Very nice.
You're gonna ruin my show.
Yes. Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
And the winner is her.
Huh? You mean me?
No. That girl. Right there. And congratulations, Judy.
My favorite? I need to get a fork. I have to finish it quickly. Oh no! Where is Mom? Mommy, I won! What? It was a dream? I'm done. Wait a minute. I have cat ears. Come on. And nails. Stupid toilet paper. I'm a cat woman. Ooh.
What in the world is going on here? No party until you clean this room.
But Mom!
Get to work now.
Huh? Huh? Not again! You! Stay there! What's that? You gotta be kidding me! I can order something. Okay. Siri, order food.
Order dude.
No. Food.
Order food.
Food. My favorite. Wow. Time to eat. Good sushi. A big day today. Party. Time to get ready. Nail time. Pretty nails.
Hey, party's at 1 p.m.
Yes, I'm coming. Oh no! My nails! No more pretty nails! Oh, this is what I'm looking for! Time for some makeup! Perfect! Oh no, my hair! Much better! Hello?
Where are you? Huh?
I'm almost there!
Lala Live TikTok house.
So this is our living room. Never mind. Let's go to the room. Don't pay attention.
Okay.
Hi guys, today we have a burger. Oh, hi girls.
Hi!
Okay, time for your room. And this is your room. Enjoy.
This is so exciting! Wow! Oh, drinks! This juice looks strange. Why is it jelly? I am thirsty! Morning. I should prepare. Ew, gross. Oh no.
Looking good, right?
Oh, what's this?
Huh? Hey, come join me. Try.
I wish I had a drink.
What is that? What is that?
Where? Oh, wow.
Let's do this TikTok. Huh? That's okay.
You're late.
Sit down, Holly. Okay, class, let's get prepared. You have 30 seconds to prepare your equipment. Go!
I'm finished.
Me too!
Me three. Ooh, chocolate. Hey, my chocolates.
Thanks, girl.
Hey! What are you doing?
It's a makeup TikTok.
I'd love to try.
Sure.
Not bad. Oh?
Wow, that's awesome!
You like it?
Try making a TikTok.
Oh!
Huh?